To get started, launch the Threads app on your device. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Below your username, you will see a new feature called Add Interests. If it's not visible, make sure your Threads app is updated. Now tap on it to proceed. Then, tap the plus icon next to Add a Topic. Select any topic from the suggestions, or search for one that interests you. Choose any topic from the results. You can add up to 10 topics that best reflect your interests. The selected topics will be displayed on your profile in the following order. If you wish to rearrange them, tap and hold the 3 lines next to the topic name, then move it to your desired position. When you are finished, tap Done in the top right corner. Your selected topics will appear as your interests on your profile, shown in the order you arranged them. When you tap on any topic, you'll be directed to a feed of posts related to that topic. This feature lets you display your interests on your profile, making it easier for others to connect with you. If you tap the plus icon next to the topics and press the back button, you will get options to add more topics, or delete any existing ones. When you are finished, tap Done in the top right corner. The changes will reflect on your profile immediately. So that's how you can add and manage interests on Threads.